Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make a baby sandal for girl. So this size is for 0 to 3 months, and excuse me. Let's start my work. I am using 2.5 mm needle and thread. So let's start. Chain 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now in the third one make double crochet, one more double crochet, and make one double crochet in all stitches except last one. Now I reach to my last chain, so I will do 6 double crochet in the same stitch. 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stitches, one double crochet, one double crochet. I did my 8 double crochet, and in the last stitch I will do 2 double crochet. And make a slip stitch in third chain. This is my first row. Now chain 1, make in the same stitch single crochet 2 times. In the next make single crochet 2 times, and in the next 3 single crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 1 2 3 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in each stitch for 6 times. Now we will have 12. I did my 12 double crochet. Now in return 3 double crochet, half double crochet for 2 times in 2 stitches, and single crochet 3 stitches in 3 stitches, single crochet. I have 2 stitches left. Now I will do 2 single crochet in same stitch and single crochet for 2 times in same stitch, and now make a slip stitch. This is my second row. Now I start my third one, chain 2, and make half double crochet in the same stitch, this one, for 2 times. In the next for 2 times half double crochet, in the next 2 times half double crochet, and now half double crochet in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 stitches. Now start 12 half double crochet for 2 times, the next 1 double crochet in the next 2 half double crochet, in the next 1 half double crochet. Do it for 6 times. Make this set for 6 times. I have done my work. Now next I will do half double crochet in every stitch except last two. Now I am here with last two. I will make 2 half double crochet in same stitch in 2 stitches, and now make a slip stitch. This is my sole is ready. Now I will start my upper portion. Now I will change the color. I am using green color. Now I will make slip stitch all around of the sole. Okay? Now let's start. Like this. Chain 1, and now make a slip stitch like this. Don't pull too tight and not too loose. So make it all over till to the end. Now I did my all slip stitch for all around of the sole. I put a stitch marker in the middle of the shoe. This is the middle. So I will count 8 from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is my 8. I will insert the hook into the 8th stitch and start my upper side. Now I complete my slip stitch. Now I put a stitch marker in the middle of shoe sole. This is the middle. Now I will count from this side 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will put my needle into the stitch and make a single crochet, chain 1, and in the same stitch make single crochet, and again in the next make single crochet, into the next make single crochet, 3 single crochet in a row, and then count for 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And now count 9. From this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. In this one make a single crochet, and in the row make 2 more single crochet, and in this again single crochet. Okay, this is my back side of the shoe. Now I complete this side, and I made 25 chain. Now I will do single crochet. It will be like this. Okay, now make single crochet in 3 stitches. (25) chain and make single crochet into the 3 single crochet, and make single crochet in every stitch till do it for all around here and all around here, and come to the end. Do it for all in the stitches, these stitches. Do it for in all stitches. Now I finished my single crochet all around till to the end. Make a slip stitch here. Now I will make a strap or chain 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now let me check. 11, 2 more, 11, 12, 13. Now make a single crochet in all stitches till to the end of this line. Now chain 1 on the other side and make half double crochet all around till to the end of this line. Now I finished my strap. I will put it on the shoe. So I am using a needle and I will stitch it here to this one. Stitch it both sides. Now I stitch it to the both sides. Now I will stitch the front. If this is the right foot of the baby, now you will, this is the middle, and one, skip one, and the next you will stitch it here. If it left, so middle is this, skip one, and this will be the left. Okay, now I am using green color. I'll stitch it. I'm making right foot of baby, so skip one, and this one is the right place. Now completed. And stitch it here. Now my flip-flop shoe is ready. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I will be in touch with you very soon with next video, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and take care of yourself.